Welcome back, everyone. Phoenix 3 here, and we're going to do some more Pokemon trading card game online. Over in the other room, actually, I got some friends over doing some karaoke, and hopefully it won't be too loud. But I'm not going to let that stop me from trying to get some games in. In my Aromatisse deck, I actually added in some or not some, but I added in a Xerneas EX just to kind of help with Dragonite if I happen to come across it. Not saying that I will play it, but I really don't have any answers to the switching out that Dragonite kind of wants to do. So if I can just catch one in on a good day, knock it out with Xerneas, I should be good. So here's hoping we get a good game, because the last couple I've been having hasn't been too good. So it looks like this deck here I'm playing against is going to be the Mewtwo Landers, probably Buffalon. I'm not sure what the color this Pokemon is. So I don't have anything. Well, at least I have a supporter. I mean, that's good. Ideally, I might want to start with probably I'm gonna start with Moltres. Put that down. For some reason my system sound is pretty low. So Buffalon, I'm attach Prism, Muscle Band, and I'm just gonna Juniper this way, try to get a Spritzee. Got everything else but if one of these was a Spritzee, I'll be fine. I'll just end my turn on that note. I'm starting with Moltres because if I can get heads, I can discard energy on this Buffalon and keep it from attacking, but I pretty much have to get heads. And I need the very first heads for it to actually work, or I'm not going to be too happy here because I don't have an Aromatisse out in play. So hopefully this isn't like an enhanced hammer or something. Okay, a level ball. So my opponent is probably playing an Aromatisse too, probably. Oh, Trubbish? Okay. Well, that sucks because I discarded my Starling Megaphone. Okay. So that's going to find Spritzee. Going to play that down. I'm going to play the Zapdos down. So I'm probably just going to energy load on this Moltres, since that's like my best bet. Give me heads, and I don't get heads. Of course not. I don't ever hit heads. Why do I even wish for it? Opponent is playing the Professor's Letter, Ultra Ball. This is probably going to find a Garbodor. Yep. I really needed that heads too. That's annoying. So where's my opponent discard a bunch of stuff? I continuously draw myself into supporterless hands. Well, I mean, I guess there's nothing else I can do here in this game, you know? All that I gotta do is do Destructive Flames, hope I get heads, and be good. I mean, I could have used that heads the first turn, because I would have saved me a bunch of damage. Yep. Next game. It'd be nice to just draw supporters. Like, I don't understand how that always happens. So it looks like we're playing just a straight up fighting deck here. Assuming I can draw the things I need, get the energy in play. I can't miss an energy drop. Then I should be, oh, Tyrantrum. Well, I mean, you know, why not? This can kill anything in one hit. Well, anything in my deck in one hit for the most part. Early pressure with Terrakion? Sure, why not? We'll put you down. I would like to draw an extra card. I will put the Articuno down too because I need to see some energy. Well, at least I drew the end, so that's good. Okay, I got some energy. We'll put this here. I mean, I'm gonna put everything on Terrakion since Terrakion's gonna be the one taking damage. Audio, let's turn this up a little bit. There isn't really anything I want to Ultra Ball for, so we're not going to do it. Doesn't hurt to have some sound, right? So his game is probably just 90 hit points. Jesus Christ. So if we can keep like fighting energy out of his discard pile, which it doesn't look like is going to happen, then we should be good. So ideally, I want to hit my my chorus. So I just need to hit a supporter. I get end myself into a supporterless hand. Kind of figure, right? Actually, this is probably going to be my best bet. We'll just catcher this out, I guess. Hit it. I got 120 hit points. I don't think he can get all the necessary energy to knock me out. And so I get a better hand, which I'm actually happy for. Lander's coming back out. So that pretty much resets this guy. I take 60. I go down to 60. I'm going to play that. I'm going to attach this energy to Xerneas because why not? Well, I can get the Articuno out and not get a knockout right now. Do I want the Skarmory down though? I'm trying to figure out what I probably want things down with resistance to fighting. I don't think any of these guys have resistance to lightning, so I'm gonna put the Zapdos down. If I had a grass Pokemon in his deck, that's what I need to do. I need to put a Virizion in his deck. So we will chorus for 7 or 8. We'll put the Skarmory down because I'm about to do a Blizzard. This is going to put damage on everything. We will retreat into the Articuno. Move all my energy up to it. Just realized I drew both my plasma energy. So this is going to knock this out. We do 10 of everything. And Skarmory will be helpful because with a Muscle Band, I can knock out any one of these Tyrants in one hit. Fighting energy there. Or maybe not. Double colorless. Okay, he's definitely going for it next turn. Lysandra, out the Terrakion. Fighting Stadium. I take 40. Alright. Or my opponent just quits. I'm fine with that too. Alright, well, let's see if we can find another game. I mean, that one went well. Water Psychic. What is this? Is this something with Empoleon and, well, Seismitoad? Seismitoad and I have no idea. So this is just a straight round deck, it looks like. Actually, I don't want to fight against this deck because I don't ever have any options for round. So what we're going to do is, well, I'm not going first. Okay. Thought I was going first. That is fine. My opponent is going to play an Ultra Ball. Probably going to find some Tampos. And there it goes. Oh my god, they're so loud. Oh, double colorless juniper. Oh, my hand is nasty. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do much here. Alright, well, that end is good. I'm gonna put the rainbow energy down. I am going to ultra ball to, let me see, let's discard this. And we're gonna try to, oh, what do I do though? I guess Articuno will be nice. And I will end, I guess. Some more things down. Yeah, let's do that. 1, 2, and we'll sweet send. Why not? Skylo, this is probably going to find a rare candy. Yep, rare candy. I think I should probably just go and find the next game, I guess. I mean, I'm not going to be able to do much here. Might as well keep it going, I guess. Probably should have just retreated. But, I mean, it's no big deal, I guess. It's unfortunate to draw 4 supporters off end. It's like you see, if you play an end, you either draw no supporters or you draw a bunch of supporters. So this round is about to do 120 damage. Yeah, I'm not playing an end. Of course, it'd be nice though. Oh, well, just discard a whole handful of supporters because why not? I will play the Keldeo. Let's see, let's just rush in, try to save myself some damage, I guess. I guess I want to try to lock this thing in the active spot with Articuno, but my opponent plays Switch, so I don't know how effective that strategy is actually going to be. I'm going to have to maybe find me some Starling Megaphones to get rid of these Silver Bangles. Well, I mean, my opponent can hit, what, 3, 6, 9, 12, 180 damage every turn. So, I mean, he'll get a knockout on everything. I would just have to knock this guy out. Keep it knocked out. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hey, at least I had one in the deck. An end would actually be nice, though. I'm gonna play the other Articuno and go Frost Prism. I know what paralysis does. Chorus. I would love to see a supporter, actually. That'd be pretty helpful. I mean, I discarded a bunch of supporters that aren't going to really matter anyway. But I still have a ton of other draw supporters, I guess. Well, no, I'm down in Junipers, I guess, actually. Oh, well, I need Chorus or Juniper, something nice to let me draw some cards. Oh man, like ideally I want to hit my Starling Megaphone. So I can I can deck shrink. Just take one card out of the deck that I can possibly draw. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Would it be nice to sit on the bench? Zapdos would be nice to sit on the bench. I might have a stroke of luck and can like flip 40 heads in a row. So I didn't draw what I needed, which is unfortunate. I swear this game does like everything to spite me. But what I am going to do is retreat into Zapdos, knock it out with agility, and actually hope that I'll flip heads. I mean, that's my only like course of action here. I just need to flip heads. So let's hope I can do that. Heads. Awesome. Something works for me. So whatever he does, he won't be able to knock me out unless he can move my Zapdos. But if he can't move my Zapdos, then I'm gonna send Articuno out and paralyze it. I actually was about to say he's about to knock my Zapdos out, but I forgot I flipped heads. And he still needs to draw an energy. I mean, an N would be nice to draw here, while my prizes are still pretty low. Hold on, what can he take? Does he have a Lysandra here anywhere? Okay, he doesn't. That was the last game, it looks like. Silver Bangle. Yeah, I need to hit my I desperately need to hit my cards, because these Silver Bangles are gonna be the death of me. Super odd. My opponent has what, 13 cards left in his deck? I have 15. I'm about to pretty much draw 10. I'm gonna go down to 14. I really don't need to play any more cards, but I kind of want to. I want to hit Starling Megaphone. Okay, got my Starling Megaphone. And I kind of want to play it on one of these off turns where my opponent can't do anything. So we will retreat into Articuno. Fairy transfer this back on you, and fairy transfer that. Is my other plasma energy? It is. Okay, so if I lose this guy here, then if I lose my Articuno, then we're done for. Starling Megaphone now. Let's make him have more cards. Or let's make him need to have more cards. I will Frost Prison and hope the cards are right. I mean, I really don't like playing against round decks because they need little energy to knock everything else out. They got 4 Pokemon in the deck that have round on them. You know, it's a unique concept, but these things here just tend to be completely overpowered. Okay, so my opponent can't do anything. Hope my opponent realizes that I can actually go Fairy Transfer. Move that there. Say done. And retreat for Zapdos. Zapdos is going to get the knockout here. I'm actually going to move this here and this here. I would much rather lose Fairy Energy if I'm going to lose energy. I'm a Skyla for Starling Megaphone because why not? And I'm going to agility, hope for heads, and hope everything goes my way. So agility, give me heads, give me heads. Awesome, awesome. This is awesome. And then Since my Zapdos is immune to damage, I can scoop up Cyclone, the Articuno, put the Muscle Band on, and put the Plasma Energy on Zapdos, and knock this out with 140 damage. Oh, there's an N. That's going to hurt my opponent actually than me. Okay, so the birds are doing their thing. Wait, undo that action. Okay, now it doesn't matter. I've got 5 cards left in my deck. I should be able to take a knockout here every turn though. Well, afterwards I should be able to take a knockout every turn. So we will retreat into the Articuno and do the same thing here. Done. And Frost Prison. Then I will do a Blizzard next turn, which is going to put all of my opponent's Pokemon in knockout range for Skarmory's Tailspin Pile Driver. Oh, another one? Okay, I guess I gotta do the Zapdos thing again. Like, believe me when I say I just want to just have this game be over. I mean, can I get 3 heads in a row here? I'm done. And we'll do that. More heads. Awesome. Just... Okay, this is probably going to be the one time you actually see me flipping heads. I know my opponent must be getting mad right now. But technically, I should be the one getting mad because this thing knocks everything out in one hit with all these round Pokemon. See, hold on. I'm about to knock out 4 of these things. Where are these things? Oh, Super Odd. Rare candies. 1 rare candy, 2 rare candy, 3 rare candy. Palpitoad's in the discard pile. You already played this dowsing machine. And my opponent's really trying to keep cards out of my hand. How many ends is that? 1, 2, 3. I mean, my opponent can't have too many more good draw cards. My opponent plays 4 cores. Wow. Alright, so I'm going to play this Max Potion. And I'm going to Juniper. And I didn't get what I want. Well, why not? Let's just keep the pressure on. You know, Articuno's doing a good job. Why stop it? So the Max Potion is going to allow shenanigans not to happen, I guess, on my Skarmory, because then I'll just knock this out with Blizzard, and then I can knock everything else with Tailspin Pile Driver, because it'll be doing 120 if Pokemon have damage counters on it. So the Articuno Skarmory synergy. Oh, never mind. My opponent just, I guess, wants to deck himself out. I'm completely fine with that. I'm gonna take this knockout because I do not like Seismitoads. And just like that, we win. Opponent has no more cards left in the deck. So, waiting on the opponent. Well, waiting on the opponent. Okay, there we go. And I win. Gotta get these coins back so I can possibly buy some more booster packs for Dragon Knights. Like, I wish they let you buy, or not buy, but well, yeah, I wish they let you buy singles that you need, and I wish that they let you trade the cards that you get in the five card packs. Because at the same time, you know, grinding for coins is hard. What do we got here? This is probably a Blastoise deck, which I really don't want to fight against, especially with this hand. Okay. My hand is bad. But I like to draw Pokemon or draw cards. Yes. Oh, I don't want to put Moltres down. Yeah, we'll just see where it goes. Mewtwo. Yeah, every deck is starting to play Mewtwo now. Why not put the... Let's go ahead and put that down. Let's put you down. Let's put that there. And... Fairy Energy. I mean, if my opponent has a supporter, then I'm going to make him discard whatever else my opponent doesn't want to discard. Heavy Ball. So that's going to find a Blastoise, obviously. Or Black Kyurem. Let's see what he takes. Black Kyurem. I mean, this game is probably over. Don't think there's a whole lot I can actually do here. I'm gonna try to discard this double colorless energy on this Mewtwo, get some damage on it, and hope something else happens that I can play with here. Alright, so double colorless energy is going away. Mewtwo's got 50 on it. Still not good, because, you know, Blastoise is probably going to come out, and that's going to suck. I don't want to play this in because my opponent has a bad hand. That's probably a chorus or something in his hand. And then probably a supporter, a Juniper. Oh, that's not the one I want to see. So what do I lose? Do I lose my... Oh, I don't lose my Pokemon. Awesome. Aromatisse there. I'm going to heal this damage. I'm not sure if I want to play in, but I need to see some additional Pokemon, and I need to see some non-plasma energy. Oh, here's hoping that... Oh. Why do I draw like this? This is the worst possible draw I could possibly get. Oh, this hand is so nasty. Oh, there is nothing good about this hand. Destructive Flame again. If I get Articuno, I could lock that Black Kyurem. But my opponent probably plays Keldeo, so lock strategies really might not work here. Here's a Skyla. What's that going to get? Professor's Letter. A Floatstone. Floatstone on Mewtwo. Oh no. Here comes thing I don't want to see. Black Ballista. See, this is why you don't play ends. Don't do anything to help your opponent out. Oh, there's 2 energy down. Fight Zapdos, why not? done, and heal, and I'm done here. Need to get some damage on this. Cure him. I don't see a Keldeo for my opponent yet. Superior, scoop up shenanigans. Oh my goodness. Well, this Black Kyurem obviously isn't respecting anything I'm doing. Fuck, new game. Let's just do it. New game. Not even gonna try it. I'm wasting too many brain cells trying to deal with that asshole right there. And yes, that Black Kyurem is an asshole. And I wish they would just stop training Pokemon that just knock things out in one hit. I mean, we don't need basic Pokemon doing 200 and 300 damage, you know, a hit. Cause I mean, like, there's no strategy or skill in that. There's no fun in that. There's nothing in that that's like redeeming. It's like, well, if I can get my Blastoise out, then I win. Toxicroak. Okay, so Zapdos is definitely going to be a big player here. You say if this Pokemon has no energy attached to it, retreat cost is free. Okay, well, might as well discard these guys. I want to save my Fairy Gardens. We're going to take probably Keldeo. Just so I can get Hypnotoxic later. I'm sure my opponent plays it. I'm going to save the Fairy Garden because I want my opponent to play Verbank first. Well, there goes another bad hand that I end myself into again. Maybe I should just take N out and probably try with Shauna. See how that works. Because maybe I draw better with that because N is just an asshole. This is why I don't like N. Alright. That part worked out perfectly. So we will rush in and retreat to Zapdos, I guess. I can put the Plasma Energy on Keldeo. But just in case I draw another energy, I can start attacking this guy here. But we're not going to do that. Evo Soda. Golbat. Then to Crobat. Zapdos has 40 left. Rush in and retreat to a Spritzee. I mean, I'm fine with this thing getting knocked out if it's going to get knocked out. Crobat does the +1 draw. Yeah, I really can't do anything. I mean, if I can't draw a supporter, might as well let that... oh, it's 3 damage counters. I forgot. Well, maybe I can get a really good N on my opponent here. See if that helps. I need a supporter. Oh man. Oh my goodness. I've already missed 2 energy drops. And I don't want to Juniper away a Starling Megaphone because of, you know, the Trubbish. But let's try to get some damage. Fairy transfer to you. Retreat. Do I still have my super rod? Nope. I was about to end my turn. That would have been a Anubis mistake. Oh, I still don't have a supporter in my hand. Okay, so not the right Garbodor. So perhaps I should be able to win. So this attack does 80 and what else? Unaffected by resistance. So it's a straight 80. I can't knock this out. Wait, yes I can. I can knock it out with Skarmory. So let's grab the metal bird. Yeah, he's not gonna like this actually. Oh, and it's got resistance. Skarmory about to put in work. Let's put that here. Tell you, man, people don't sleep on Skarmory. The ability to do 120 out of nowhere. All right, now we back in the game. We are back, baby. Put 4 damage count. Oh my goodness. Gets this. What did I just lose? Chorus Machine and I don't care. I got the end. Chandelure puts 4 damage counters on my opponent, on my Pokemon any way he chooses. Garbodor. So I can knock this out in one hit with Keldeo. Yeah. Okay, that didn't help. Oh, Keldeo, go do your thing. Furry transfer. Let's get this energy here, and we'll do 130 and knock this guy out. How about that? There's another energy. Okay, so this game is turning into a very good one for me. This is why I didn't want to put the Keldeo up, because always heads on Hypnotoxic Laser and a Verbank. If he knocks my Keldeo out, I'm gonna be mad. I might actually dump all the salt if that's the case. Let me see ways to get out of the active spot. I've got Scoop Up Cyclone, that's it. Or I could just wake up. Another Crobat. Yeah, so ends are going to become very ineffective against my opponent. My ends will actually start screwing me over. I mean, this is my last end. I kind of want to save it for just in case I need to put cards back into the deck. But I have 25 cards in my deck. So it doesn't look like I'm going to be decking out anytime soon before I take my prizes, which is Mewtwo. I wake up. Did a lot of damage though. First off, I'm going to do this. Then I'm gonna do this. Put the Zapdos down. Skarmory. So I need a way to do 120 damage. Okay, so we move this here, this here, this here. We max potion. I believe I'm taking 40 damage in between turns. Yeah. So I have to retreat. I guess we play the max potion here too. And hope that I draw my chorus machine and can do that. Because if I do that, I can knock this Mew out with Zapdos. Awesome. Chorus machine, Zapdos, retreat. Take 2 more prizes. Done. And power volt for 120. Look at that, they're my supporters. Yeah, I don't care if you discard my tool, I don't need it there. So was my opponent going to end me again, since my opponent really hasn't missed a beat with that? Hypnotoxic Laser, also don't care about that. But my opponent is still flipping heads like a champ. Yep, there's the end. Not missing the beat. I mean, my opponent really doesn't want to lose. Yeah, he has to switch into Chandelure. So I will probably rush in. Oh, and I wake up. Awesome. Articuno, that's fine. We will rush in. Move this here. Say done. Retreat back to the Zapdos. Put the muscle band on it. And move off this energy here. I just want to set this thing up for a knockout. Yeah, I better move this over here. I don't want no shenanigans. And then we will agility for 50. Which puts him in that knockout for Tailspin Pile Driver. Yeah, I'm doing a lot better than I was doing yesterday, that's for sure. Still got supporters left in the deck. Got 2 max potions. Still got my scrambles. Not my scramble switch. The other one. Yeah, my opponent is not missing a beat with these like ends, but I get put a chorus in my hand, so I'm about to like +9. So that's gonna be good. What are you gonna do? You gonna retreat? Nope. My turn. Attach the rainbow energy, and my opponent quits. Doing good. So we'll be on the prize wheel. I hope this is like a Furious Fist booster pack, because I could use that. Start trying to trade those for Dragonites. Nope, 25 coins. You know what? I'm fine with 25 coins. We are running on 44 minutes. We'll play one more game. See where it goes. Since it got a little bit quiet in here right now, we don't have to deal with no more karaoke. And hopefully the game turns out better than it is. So we got a... I actually have no idea what my opponent's playing. That's still Pokemon is probably Jirachi. I'm fine with this, I think. This deck. Alright. 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 Here's what we're going to do. I'm just going to do that in my turn. I'm not going to do anything else. I don't want to show that I have the Aromatisse. I don't want to show that I have a spot. I don't even want to show that I have a stadium. I just want my opponent to think I do not have a supporter. So my opponent will not be encouraged to play in. And I really don't want to discard the other Rainbow Energy either. So I'm just going to turtle this turn. Comes down another Latias. So yeah, I actually like this deck. You know, Latias deals with Pyroar. Sigilyph deals with everything else. Virizion deals with special conditions. You know, not that bad. So this also means I'm not going to have to worry about any unseen shenanigans from my opponent. Of course, unless my opponent does drop an Yveltal, Swablu. Okay, so yeah, I should be able to win this game easily. I'm just going to put that down. I'm going to grab my Aromatisse now. I still don't need to see anything, so I'm just going to end my turn. And I have the Zapdos in this deck for that very reason, to deal with Sigilyph. Because all of my attackers don't have abilities. Oh, Xerneas EX can knock a Latias out in one hit with Muscle Band. Huh. If my opponent retreats, brings up the Sigilyph, and I can get my Zapdos, I'm going to snipe this Swablu. Nope, never mind. There goes that plan. But yes, Xerneas can knock out Latias EX in one hit with a Muscle Band. So I guess that that's going to be my plan. And I'm going to have to play around Sigilyph as well. So I'm going to need to try to reserve my super odds. This thing's getting a bunch of energy on it. Sigilyph comes out. I kind of knew that was going to happen. What does Tracheon do in this matchup? This attack is unaffected by resistance. Latias does not have resistance. Virizion can hit me, but I don't think this person's going to be attacking with the Virizion. I'm going to play it down. And I'm going to put this here, because the damage is already on Articuno. So 70, 80, 90. Latias has the Float Stone. I actually don't want to, like, take any risk here. I'm just going to end my turn. I could Blizzard, just get 10 damage on everything, because at some point Zapdos is going to need to start hitting these Altarias here. And a Mewtwo comes down. It's like every time I see a Mewtwo, like my soul, it just cringes just a little bit. Soul cringe, that's what I'm gonna call it. Soul cringe. My opponent doesn't have anything, it looks like. So what I am going to do is grab that Zapdos right now. I'm gonna grab that Zapdos right now. And then make sure it's even in the deck. Be here, Zapdos. Okay, you're here. And my Zapdos always got my back. Always. Zapdos is a good bird. We'll discard. I want to discard the N. Because if I play any card, I'm going to play Juniper. or I might hit a chorus before I do, because I'm not going to play this enough. I'm probably not going to play this end anytime soon, and I want to keep my energy. So we will do this. Put that there. Retreat for Zapdos. I don't know, should I just 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120? No, we're just going to random spark. Just want to put some pressure down on that thing. I mean, this might be an overly aggressive play right here, but I really don't want Latias dealing, you know, 90 damage, which is probably going to happen anyway. Okay, maybe not. Going to move this here, say done, and we're going to attach this energy here. Random spark, Altaria. Take that out of play. So there's my Skarmory. I don't think Skarmory is going to be very helpful this match. Ooh. Don't want to deal with Mewtwo. But it looks like I'm going to have to. Course. I'm fine with that. I'm gonna have to get that Zapdos back eventually. Hold on, what am I doing? Aromatisse, Fairy Transfer. Rock Tumble. I can knock it out next turn if he X-balls me again. Of course, I would have to play the Max Potion. Starling Megaphone. Oh, that's going to be a big deal. Give me Tails. Of course not. What do you do? I need to hit a lot of cards. Okay, I'm going to play Xerneas. Going to evolve. What do you do? Dimensional Heal and Strife. Okay, so we're probably going to see some Strife shenanigans with Sigilyph. Let's put that on Articuno. Just move all this energy. Done. Will Max Potion. I'm gonna save this slot here for Zapdos if I can get it back into the deck. And Juniper. I guess I'm about to lose my Terrakion. That's unfortunate. Let's spread this energy out actually. I don't want like Lysandra to come out here and just ruin my day. Done. I can actually put an energy on Terrakion though, but I'm not going to do it. End my turn. So I'm awake. I really hate Hypnotoxic Laser. That card is so stupid. I mean, my opponent gets heads on it every single time, and I don't wake up on the turns that I need to. Like, seriously, I just don't respect players who use that card. It's kind of like if you were like playing like Tekken. I'll use Tekken as an example. And you go online and you come across Law, and the only thing that Law is doing is like Dragon Tail. That's it, Dragon Tail. You know Dragon Tail is coming. You go to even defend against it, but you can't respond to it because it's either lag or, you know, because you are online, you have to expect it coming just to be able to deal with it. That's the way I feel with hypnotoxic laser. It's like I know it's coming. I know how to deal with it, but I can't deal with it because I don't have the right cards at the time I need to deal with it. And then you lose because of it. And it's not like you lost because, you know, the player was better than you. No, you lost because, you know, your opponent was able to just do whatever he wants. And that's one thing I hate, is fighting players like that who just do whatever they want. Yeah, that's my rant right there. Hate fighting law. I hate hypnotoxic laser. So I'm still poisoned. Xerneas can do... You know, Articuno can knock this thing out too. So can Skarmory. I still have my scoop up side. I mean, if I really need to, I will sacrifice a prize just to deal with that. How many max potions am I down? I'm down 1 max potion, so I've still got 3 in my scoop up Cyclone. I don't want to play the end, but I also don't want to play the also don't want to play the Juniper either. I want to try to reserve this energy. Xerneas won't deal enough to knock it out, or Aromatisse won't deal enough to knock it out. So I think what I'm just going to have to do is just X-Blast this thing. Yeah, let's just do that. Let's put that there. Done. Retreat. I mean, it's just better to bring Articuno up. But Articuno only has 130 left, and my opponent brings down another, you know, Mewtwo, then he knocks me out. So I'm just gonna bring Xerneas. Alright, so you guys are about to witness the first time I have ever attacked with the Xerneas EX. That's where I put that Zapdos in play right now. No, I'll wait. I don't have to have the Zapdos right now. I want the Zapdos, but I don't have to have it. So I draw 2 energy off the prizes. So my opponent's probably going to do what I think he's going to do. Strife into... You know, I'm probably going to have to get Keldeo in play. Oh, I didn't go to sleep? Okay, that's good. Or maybe not. Well, let's do the thing with Zapdos. Let's do that. Gonna put a Swablu in play against me and not expect it to get random sparked. They just have 50. Oh, it's got 40. Alright. Let's put this muscle band here. No, I'm gonna save it because my opponent does play Starling Megaphone. Okay, that too. Alright, another win. And this time it was under an hour. Awesome. So this is going to be the last game I'm bringing to you guys. And if you like what you saw, subscribe to my channel, because I am going to be bringing a lot more Pokemon related content. And as soon as I can get capture cards for other devices, I'm going to actually try to do some Tekken gameplay and commentary. I'm also going to try to do, you know, just other random gaming stuff. I might even try to do something with Android if I can find a way to record footage from that. So I just want to show you guys how cheating Plant vs. Zombies 2 is, because that game is stupid, but it's fun. I like it. So that's all I got for you guys today, and I will see you later. Peace.